Let us see our next chapter, some applications of trigonometry. In this chapter, we will discuss about height of the buildings and height of the towers by using perpendicular distance from the base. Now, before going to find this one, let us see the introduction. The eyesight parallel to the eye is called normal eyesight. Suppose a flight is moving, then our line of eyesight will be above the normal eyesight. Suppose, for example, let us see, here a flight is moving, then our eyesight will be changed to above to the normal eyesight, that is, which is called angle of elevation. Next, suppose we stand on the first floor of the building. Now some persons are moving on the ground floor. Now our eyesight will be just down to the normal eyesight, which is called as angle of depression. That means in this chapter we deeply studied with about the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. Now let us see once again, the angle of elevation is the angle above to the normal eyesight and the angle of depression is just below to the normal eyesight. Let us see the next example. A tower stands vertically on the ground from a point on the ground which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. The angle of elevation of top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Find the height of the tower. Let us draw the diagram first. A tower stands vertically on the ground. Let AB be the height of the tower and which is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. See, that means this tower is 15 meters away from a particular point. The angle of elevation of top of the tower is found to be 60 degrees. Just to discuss that the angle of elevation means the eyesight will be above to the normal eyesight. That is, the top of the tower is B, the angle is 60 degrees. And the foot of the tower is 15 meters away from the foot of the tower. Find the height of the tower. That means we have to find out the height of the tower AB. Now let AB be the height of the tower. Let AB be the height of the tower and AC be the distance from foot of the tower. That is, AC is equal to 15 centimeters, 15 meters. Next, from point C, the angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. That is, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Here, in this condition, we have to learn the two things. That is, one, if you know any of the two sides, that is either the base or the altitude, use the tan or the cot function, or if you know the hypotenuse, use sine or the cos function according to the situation. That is, from triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Now opposite side to 60 is AB and adjacent side is AC. That is tan 60 degrees is equal to AB is the height of the tower, which we have to find, by AC equal to 15 meters. That is, we know the value of the tan 60 is equals to root 3 is equal to AB by 15. That is, therefore AB is equal to 15 root 3 meters. Therefore, height of the tower AB is equal to 15 root 3 meters. Now let us come to the second example. An electrician has to repair an electric pole of height 5 meters. Now let us draw the diagram first. That is, AB is the electric pole which height is 5 meters. He needs to reach to a point 1.3 centimeters below the top of the pole. That means below the top of the pole you have to mark another point. That means suppose AB the height of the pole is, the electrician has got a repair at point C which is just below 1.3 meters. That is 1.3 meters this is. Now what should be the length of the ladder which inclined an angle of 60 degrees? That is, let D be the position of the ladder which makes an angle 90 degrees with the base. Now the ladder is supported at the point C and which is also making an angle of 60 degrees. Now how far from the foot of the pole? How far from the foot of the pole? Foot of the pole is A. That is, from here to how far the ladder must be placed? It is a question for us. Now let us see. Let AB be the height of the pole. Let AB be the height of the pole and AB is equal to 5 meters. And let C be the point of observation. Let C be the point of observation. Point of observation means where the repairs occurs. Now we have to find out the value of the AC. AC is equals to AB minus BC. That is equal to AC is equal to the value of AB is 5 meters minus BC is 1.3 meters. That is, AC is equal to 5.0 1.3, that is 7, 1 borrowed, 3 minus 1, sorry 4 minus 1, that is 3, that is 3.7 meters is the height of the part of the pole. Height of the pole is 5 meters. Now AC be the height of the part of the pole, that is 3.7